Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, I'm gonna be changing the fuel cap on this 2007 Dodge Nitro RT. And the reason I'm doing it is because it's not doing its job anymore. So even though you're supposed to tighten it over 2-3 clicks, you can see the check engine lights on. So I ordered a new one. This is from Dodge. It's an OEM one. I'm not sure why it comes in this one, but we're gonna change it. So I'm gonna take it out the little plastic right here. Give me a sec. Alright, so as you can see, it says it's supposed to tighten like over 3 clicks. You do it, but it's not doing this job anymore, so that means this is worn out and it's not keeping the pressure like it should. So we're gonna put the new one in. See, you can hear the clicks. And then this goes right in here. Just push it in. That's so. And now we're gonna recheck it. Alright. So now you see, now the check engine light's on. When that pops up, I believe it was P0456 evaporative. It's pretty much like a emissions leak. It could be, most of the time on these cars, the Nitro specifically, it's the fuel cap. Over time, they degrade. Well, any part on the car degrades, but it pretty much can't hold the pressure that's needed in the fuel tank. So it will trip a code saying, oh, there's a leak somewhere. It could be other possible reasons, like one of the hoses or anything like that. But on this vehicle, specifically the Nitros, it's the fuel cap. So whenever you get that code, if I read the code incorrectly, it'll be in the description. But if you get that code, 99% of the time, it's the fuel cap. And this from Dodge online was only $15, around under $15 with free shipping. So you don't have to panic or nothing about that. It's a fuel cap. And as you can see, as soon as I change the fuel cap, it's no longer holding. So go back to this. You see the discoloration, all that. And that's also what keeps the pressure inside. And the little gasket. So hope this was informative for most of y'all Nitro owners. And subscribe to the channel. Let me know what videos y'all want to see on the Nitro. I have one request. I haven't forgot about you. I'll be doing that hopefully this week. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.